What is the difference between the Edge Cup and the ZEN Cup? The Edge Cup is a mushroom-shaped cup that has a thinner base than the ZEN Cup. The base of the ZEN Cup is wider and picks up a lot more tissue a little bit more aggressively at the base. The Edge Cup is perfect for dynamic cupping of almost any body part. The Edge Cups come in 4 different sizes, so I can use a smaller cup for the hands, the feet, the neck, and I can use one of the larger Edge Cups to treat the hips, the back, and even the hamstrings or the thighs. The ZEN Cup and the Edge Cup can both be used statically, meaning they can both be placed on the body and left alone, or I can move both of them, the ZEN Cup or the Edge Cup. The Edge Cup has a smoother glide. The ZEN Cup has a very strong glide, but still a relatively smooth glide. Both lift, stretch, and remove tissue tightness and any tension that is in the muscles, reducing pain and therefore improving function.